Okay, welcome to Uncle Adrian's upgrade shop, where dreams are made and dashed all in one fell swoop. So, we got this. We got this. We're not going to put this in yet. Look at that copper base though. We got this. And we got this. Okay. And this. Now we already have a wired connection, but we're going to install this just for lols. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 cards, 3 screws. No power, off. Out you go. Out you go. There you are. What were you doing? Okay, so we disconnected everything. Alright. Now, let's get this out of the way and see if what we can see. There we go. I think that's the best way. I think that's what you can see. Yeah, can we go any higher? No. Can we go closer? What do we do? You know what? Let's just go with this. Okay. Zoom in just a bit. Out. Yeah, let's leave it there. Okay. We're going to do the install just like this. Upgrade just like this. Hang on a second, I gotta grab something. Okay. I don't know if we need it or not. I'm gonna grab these. Where did I put the other one? Right beside the other one. Alright, here we go. The fun begins. Now, let's see. Just trying to put some more light on. No. Yes, no, yes, maybe, huh? Okay. Now, is it toolless? Because this little thing here suggests it is. So let's lift it up. Alright, now let's start moving stuff out of the way. Do we want this to live up here or down here? You don't want to go in there. You don't want to go in there. What are you, the audio switch? Yes, it is. We don't need the audio, so it's going out. So we'll be rendering the front audio panels useless. Unless, of course, we can somehow figure out how to pass through sound blaster through the motherboard. There is usually a way. Alright, so let's place the card and find the plate that needs to be removed and remove it. There. And don't cut your fingers to pieces, because this That's how you cut your fingers to pieces, with these little things. Okay, put them all in together. No, one at a time. Just to make sure everything's cool. There we go. Alright, that's one. Sound card is number 2. Now where do we put sound card number 2? We want space between the sound, the video card and the, we want flow here. That's what I'm trying to say. So we should put the sound card on the bottom, which is counterintuitive, but it's what we got. So what do? Put it on the bottom? Let's put it on the bottom. Because just make sure I don't want to punch out the wrong hole, so then we have a spare hole sitting there. I don't want that. Nobody likes that. Alright, I think that's it. There we go. Cross our fingers, hope we took the right one out. Oh yes, we did. Alright. Okay. For now, we're just going to leave it. We got sound and we got video. That's all basically what I want. I don't want any more. I don't want any more fancy. Okay. So we'll be doing the install a little bit differently. The install, as you'll see, will be performed. Oh, wait a minute. There is screws. Yes, there is. There is screws. Okay. I was wondering about that. There's one. Yeah, there is screws. I didn't see them before. Alright. Oh, what happened? Come on. Out. Alright, try again. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. You want to go down there, don't you? You want to go down there, don't you? Yes. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where the heck? Well, that's the end of that drive. It would be amazing if it survived. Come on, you. I'm not fooling around anymore. It just cost me a hard drive. Pardon my language. What the heck? Alright, so that's the upgrade part done. Alright. Let's hold on, I'll be right back.